Sunday evening, boy, I know now look for me from morning. But me don't know how uno alone lucky so. How uno alone lucky so. Boy, me just careful so. You know, so today me plan for say me I take the whole day and just sleep and recover from some rest the wifey no get from what day. Yes, man, me say me I stay with wifey, man. Cause for about 4 days. And wifey used to me being with her. So when me not be with wifey, it tell pa my body is like my whole body get weak. Me just a fret over wifey so. So me decide say today me I spend the whole day with wifey, you know. A half an hour ago me get up, you know, and me get up, you know, and me match me football match me watch, you know. Me miss, you know, when me not get for watch, you know. And go wake up and see 3-2. All the while my side Liverpool go them a idiot, you know, man. Bottom of the table side you make have you to you barely scrape out a win, but me glad still a win is a win. A ugly win is better than a pretty loss. Yes, and that send we 8 point a lead of Manchester City card and get 4 from Tottenham last night. Yes, man. Yes. I want to beat them weekend and go 11 point now. For them time has come. Them water down. Anyway, people half an hour ago me wake up and I say, boy, I can't left on stranded. When I go do that video, I have 2 videos for post on the Life is a Mission channel. And I just send off one, I think is the Price Mart Mountain vlog. So you can go on, you supposed to see nothing for me over here. So I'm better you rush on to the channel over there. So all who subscribe and go watch the video over there. So when I done that video, you can go over there. I'm supposed to see me 200 views over there on the video. Because I'm not getting from me over here. So I want over here, so I like. I go and left, abandoned over here, one of them week here. Nothing at all. And just I go straight over there, so and see if you not go come. So I go see if I me no like, who no like, from one no like, from when me so no like, or a mix up no like, or one no like. Me abandon to over here one whole week and go over there so for a week. Put in some work over there. Anyway, you know what they do? It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the channel, the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember to go over to TikTok and follow me on TikTok. Like the videos, watch the videos, and you can also comment on the videos. You know, that's some like a short video, not long. So it now take up too much on the time. Some 4 minutes. I think the longest video I ever do over there must be 7 minutes and ad. But most of the video are some short video, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute ad. Yeah, like that. Social commentary public. You don't want to go over there. You don't see me and fly me mouth like me just eat the wrong part of the chicken. Yes, man. I wasn't afraid to talk up over there because we have the privilege can talk up over there. And that's why I kind of like over there. Yeah, certain things you have privilege with. So, you just go over there, go follow me. I remember Life with Gabby and Chevy. She now want, 92 subscribers. You go over there and come 1111. But I know you can't just come and go so room and flood the thing in a man. What I'm telling you, man. Just flood the thing in a man. I'm top about her come January. Sure. Just go over there go get her a subscription. Look in the comment section, you see the link. Life with Gabby and Chevy. And just hit subscription. Remember, Cash App is there, $ Charms and Chens. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. And remember, you did ask for it. Remember, me now run a charity. You just like what you see on the channel and want to give me. I take the gift and give back to the needy. And please go support Charms and Trend. Check out the Instagram business page, charmed_and_trends. And just drop in the DM for further information. Anything you see on this, the channel, the page, you can get it customized to your liking. It's a season of giving gift. Make your gift a special gift. Don't make your gift be the ordinary regular gift everybody that get. If it's even something where everybody have, your one must look different because you customize it. Alright? Yeah, man. And you can go straight to the website, charmsandchen.shop. Anyway, people, drama. Hey, drama 99. Hey, you see? Drama in a 99 to Rastaja. 99 or somewhere else. Yeah, I tell you, people. When you're not good or bad. When you're not bad or laughter. Jesus, please. How the first me see somebody take leather go up on bike? How will the Rasta this 99 are really somewhere else? Dana Marie go are really something else. How will the... Dana? As some me know said back in the days, you never really used to ride pan bike. Disprove it. If you used to say it and then not believe, and then believe, say you come from the ghetto and the garrison, everything you're supposed to can do and do, you know. But there are certain things we separate ourselves from. Certain things we don't try to get involved in. Because I am from the garrisons. Garrisons? Yeah, you must say garrisons, not garrison. Garrisons. And 3 of the most volatile. And certain things that's going into the garrison, I don't get myself involved. And it's not like I am not far from it. I am right there with it. But me try to stay far from it. Because me not see it right in my sense. It is right for me. Because as me said, me is a leader. Me is not a follower. So most times certain things when I see in the garrison, I feel like everybody who live in the garrison know about it, is with it, and can do it. Yes, we might can do it, but we refuse from do it. So it's proven that Dana really never know how to ride on bike, or probably never regular ride on bike. With all the yang with these people out here in social media, say this woman by you want to tell me say she never go over a couple yet, no time at all. She never want to reach from point A to point B and traffic up on the road, and she call to the yang them and say, yo, come, and them have to run come because of fear money by them. It has proven that the woman don't know nothing about bike. Because one, when she go up on the first time, all she have to do is go up with her foot and go over. But she don't know that. And then the cowardness in her she. When they say what happen, Tina bring the leather come. And Tina, she with her dramatic self, she run go for leather carry come for two. And that just cap off the drama. And then no Paula, she in the black background the pan. Yes, Dana, go up on it, man. Go fight Dana, man. Yeah, man, go up on it, Dana, go up on it. Yes, man. Yes, see, Paula, she want drama. It's too, you know. You think she nice? Yes, man. But me I tell you, we cap it off when Dana call for the leather. And Tina really run out with the leather. And when me look, Dana go so boom, like she go paint one cantilever. You know, and you go for one little standing leather there, you go pick some flowers or trim your edging. Yes, man. And so me say Dana climb up on the leather with one foot and whoops, and go over by quick. Yes, man. So, you know, that's just the thing with Planka Shop, you know. You will have this sad moment. You will have this drama moment. Then you have like a serious moment. Some of the drama them is even more jokified than some. Because all I wanna, as me say, Tina run out to the leather and just cap off everything. So that was just the drama in Planka Shop. So would you look for expect something else? Nothing else. That was the drama. Alright? Who not see the video can run go watch the video. It remind me of when Dana did go down him name Akif. You know, so I go check that youth there too. Him live so close to me, and I never go check him. Couple people reach out to me to give them a little follow up, and I think it's the right time now for me to give him a follow up. Reason being, a subscriber has reached out to me with some school stationaries and stuff like that, and I can't find any time yet to really. I don't want to give one school it, I want to split it in two, because it's a lot. And it did really come for me to give to the school that I donated the fridge to, but I don't want to do that. They have benefit from the little I can give. I wanted to make somebody else benefit also. But I still tell myself, say, okay, since it was the idea of the donor, which I already come and speak with the donor about the situation, and them say, okay, do what you want to do what please you, do what is okay. You understand? Yeah. I don't want to just give them the whole light, but I want to still give them some, since it was the wish of the donor. But I want to share some also, the next half, with somebody else. And as me speaking about Akif, you know, say he's the best person and one of the best person to give. Reason being, is a community effort he's putting in, right? A community effort. Most of these basic school is owned by private personnel. And it's not like I am going to give these things to the parents themselves. I'm going to give it to the school. For the school, with the intention for the school to give it to the parents, to the students. And it might not work out that way. They might sell them to the parents for the student, which I have no problem in them selling them, once the money is going back into the school. You understand? Once the money is going back into the school, I have no problem. So what I'm going to do, you know, so I must make, if I don't drive by there tomorrow, I'm going to have a friend live on the same road, just a couple yards away from Akeem. I make him make a link for me. I'm going to set up a date and go deliver them, some of them to him this weekend. On hope him is not busy. If I even one day when him come from school, yes. Yeah, it remind me of the day where the seesaw business with Paula and Paula up in the year stuck and can't come down. Because Dana the too weighty. And then I'm take it make a joke over Paula. No, you know, see Paula coming like she take it make a joke with Dana on the bike. Yes, Dana, go over it, Dana. Yes, Dana. Anyway, people, we can move on to the video because you don't know, as me say, me know to sit down and wait for something. So here what me know. Me see Marcia come out, you know. Because it come like she run back for the trending. Because Tina ease off a trending, you know, it come like she want it back. I come like it's a back and forth between she and Tina. Them swapping spaces. So right now, so Marcia come out, so she tired at 360. And if she never have a clean heart, I don't know which part of Marcia heart clean. If she never have a clean heart, she him, you know? Yes, man. But instead of mash up her clean heart, she don't have nothing to answer to God and them sitting there, which she have proven that she mingling and them sitting there. So I don't know who she come out here try food. Because she should have take that route, because courthouse route are gonna cost too much money and she can't find him because she don't know she part him there. And if she will find him, it will cost too much money, where she could have take that the money there and go fly all over the world or buy a condo. I don't know when she plan for to do that. Why now? But what interests me in the video is when she also get 99 involved. Yeah, she get 99 involved. You want 360 have your beef. You have a claim to say it's because of 99 why 360 are trace you day in, day out. Because all of a sudden she and him turn friend and all the things them when him say about her, she don't know how that happened. And she and him got turn friend. And there's a lot of things this woman named Jennifer with them say 360 did David and she put out 360. And when Dana said she got pick up money for 360 sitting like so. And Jennifer come out and say if she ever do it, she let out every secret. That simply mean all of the secret, because she are saying 360 must have secret for that for her, you know, for Dana, you know. That's what she has said. For she accept him with all the things what him say. And say she not accept Tina and she and other rest. And the secret of 360 have for her, him have seems like him has tell it to Jennifer, which is the woman that them say he was with we put him out. And Jennifer tell she a couple of the secrets, as couple of the things then. But when me I say, if Jennifer tell you a couple of the things then, how you not ball them out? How you not ball them out? You not ball them out? Then she upon, me sorry Jennifer, me have to talk. Me sorry, but me sorry. Me not talk everything, but me I go hold back some. So, me no know what happened to this woman here. Her son that jail, and a 360 put him in jail, and a Dana put him in jail. And before she come out here, come either talk about her son, you know, or stick with the beef that she have with 360. She want to blame Dana for it. So, you know, listen up. Me not go no further. You know, just do the do.
It's like when you call me Obia woman and Obia this, me Obia him. For me and my pitney. I'm lucky. Say me God fearing. Me shut him up long time. But
you don't make him dry up like a piece of cane, so that cane dry up people. If the glad said the woman no involved in something then 360, I would have sorry for you, so you that dry up like this, you couldn't 360 no more. So you start think about living quarters now. All of a sudden, Marcia think about living quarters. Me a listener for a while, you know.
Else me fix him Ross long time from he could even call he could even say kaka. Come tired of him.
You grew up in a Christian home and behave so. But you want to say for early and early you grew up, you know.
Me I come from too far in a life and give back to society for me to be wicked. Me want to go my bed free. Me want when me walk in a church for praise God, me not have to guilty. If you go up and make the confession on the ground and say me do people things. You're lucky. Me not ask you. Else me obey you long time. I make you walk and shit up yourself. For what you do to me on social media. Me have to just learn to ignore and make you go and chat. Me understand me. If I never Marcia Campbell for all them the slandering there where you put me on social media. I wish somebody could have do it in my behalf.
So,
I wish one other man out there.
so, a freeness you want. You don't want to pay for it happen. Because you know you have to pay the man for it happen. So you want freeness. Or you want somebody to take up your sin for you. Eh? Marcia, you already sin. Because if you grew up in a Christian home and you behave the way you behave on social media and wish all kind of evil pan people out here. The amount of evil you wish pan people out here, Marcia, and you grew up in a Christian home. The amount of you carry on out here, people. The amount of bring you try to bring down people and people picking it out here, Marcia. And you say a Christian home you grew up in, and you don't want to say if I'm a Christian home you grew up in. So Marcia, no come out here come pretend. You have a lot of sins on you. So no refuse that one you. Don't try to make nobody get involved with this one. You continue your road. Continue your journey of being sin. Is it realize that every time you come out here and cast judgment on people, what happened to you? If it not happen near you, it happen side of you, in front of you, back of you, or one distant away from you. If I'm a sister-in-law, a sister, if I'm a sister, a cousin, eh? When you're a cousin or a picnic, you realize too late.
Would I do it in front of me behalf? But guess what? Me no want them got hell for me.
Marcia, you are carrying the replica of the devil. See that? And the replica this. You don't know what is this, people? When me I go themselves fuck the devil carry. Marcia have the replica of one.
If them have
See
sin,
that?
them have sin for themselves and work for themselves. But I wish somebody could have fixed you for me.
So now come out and come go on like say you're godly.
As I
Go
said
ahead.
before, I don't want them to have no sin from me.
You done already have
God-
seen you
God
have
is
the
not
replica
dealing with you.
fuck
And in one
that the
time,
devil carry. See that?
just like how all these years, for the past few years, me sit down and I wanted a good little job where me know say could have carry me through. So me not have to struggle for make ends meet from me left New York City. Me financially me financially stable where me know me can.
How long will that be?
Me not have to worry. I come out here and ask for selfish shit. And me beg God and me ask God and God never give it to me until I.
How long that will be?
That's a long time me I beg God for a job like this. Whether it want last for 6 months, 1 year or whatever, me ask him for it and he give it to
Yeah,
me.
declare to you know it now last long a temporary something.
And me just work with it.
Declare, she declare because she knows she
You
might not stay
understand?
long there.
Yes, I tell you. Cause when me see that me not ruin no day. I am right here, me not have nothing for them to chat. I'll put me like a big lie, go lie down and sleep. That's all. And later on, if I feel like I'm gonna look my client and come back. Go check on him and come back. Me not have nothing for you. And me not have to go to the arrest day. Me not ruin no day. Not a day not ruin. But me say tell you how wicked these people is. That's why wickedness will always be because of people like him. People will always. That's why wicked come to pass. God tell you all the time, do not provoke people to wrath. This is what you call provoke people to wrath. Me not ask you. The slippers is so comfortable. People to wrath. That's why me can't come here and chat anything I want to chat right there, bold and straight. Come here and tell you the truth. Them lucky. And because them know say me not do wickedness, make them come out here and interfere with me. What other people that do me not do. We will come out here and talk. Because them know. Yes, because them know. So me not do what other people do. I mean I sell my soul to the devil for money. That's number one. Me not sell my soul to the devil to get rich and famous by social media. No. A lot of them out here sell them soul to the devil. Preachers and all kind of people. And then come out here and act like say them working for Jesus and I see it and them I work for. Yeah.
Now you that?
But me not get to see when
Are you that? You know, he's a great actor and pretender out here.
ain't that right down there.
You're one of the biggest actor and pretender out here.
I mean, I have Father God to live this the day when you don't fall. All over.
Now, that's why you have so much.
Social media start big fail.
And that's why you have so much downfall back at one another, you know. Because all of who you wish it for, you get for them one by one. One by one. Marcia is getting her downfall one by one. Because she a wish it for everybody, so she get them one by one. Yes, man. Your downfall come one by one because you wish it for everybody. And say you're godly and grew up in a God home and all kind of shit. When you stop use God, man. Stop use God.
God for mercy. Me live this in the day. Me know me I live this it. Me know God not take me. Me have to get my revenge.
Not lie, you're going to stay a ton stone.
I have to see. No, I have to. The boy too wicked. Me have to live this it. Real? Me don't mean to talk like that. But when you have somebody who has been on your back for 3 years straight, no break, this will make anybody do anything. This ain't no joke, Ray. This man, I don't know him. I only saw him on social media. This man has been on me over 3 years straight now, non-stop. Disrespecting me, ridiculing me and my son. And when him cannot break me, one dirty boy when name 360, when name Ashanti Flex on social media, he start cuss me for the woman I yard. First him started out. When him started.
Hold on. When you listen keenly, you know, when I remember, I always tell you to listen with understanding. This man is cussing her for 3 years. That's what she said a while ago, you know. And when him can't break her, him started to cuss her for the woman a yard. So, before that, the 3 years before that, how him start cuss you? Why him start cuss you? Further down, she claimed to say because she never come out here come defend them beating down Mr. Handsome. When them say Mr. Handsome a pedophile. But me I wonder now, this woman just for involve 99 in her equation. It's like them not realize what them say when them say it, how them say it, at what time them say it, the time frame, the date, the how long, the far long, the short long, the Mr. Wang, them not remember that. She still gonna say 99 are who him a cuss her for. But you just say 3 years him dey on your case. And you continue to say day in, day out, and 99 him a cuss you for. But you admit here, the words from your mouth is because you never side with them in the time when them talk about Mr. Handsome. I mean never yet hear you pressure that case down say Mr. Handsome him a cuss you for. But every day you get up and say 99 him a cuss you for. Make it make sense. All of this contradict on yourself out here. That's all you do, you know. What me I tell you now?
Don't with Mr. Handsome. When Mr. Handsome did come and show one picture expose, and and say man there with one little boy. And
Oh, no, listen for yourself, you know, Anna, me say so,
and
listen.
And I sent to somebody from one phone. Like if two of them on the person at the video chat. And through them know me now. Always I talk about certain things. Just because me don't come out and say him a child molester. Them a call him child molester. Because he had a previous incident back in the days. And true now, me don't come out and call him a child molester. This is one you pick it up in Vegas. All me and Vegas clash out feet, you know. True me come out, everybody wanted to hear my opinion. And true me come out and said, I cannot call him a child molester because I think the boy when him take a picture with must be up in them 20s or something or 18. I don't know when take one like you know, it two of them must attack. And him bend over and him dip on the video camera. Dip on the video camera and snap the picture back way and show. The person
I don't see me, I get up in a somebody, me, I'll go buy something for me.
Don't know how it come out. Why must you one young man up in the 18,
But I forgot to put that GLP conference, so most of the man them they all about, you know. All those conference done.
So I say, no, I can't call him so. No. The boy come out pan me. And then when him then because he hear Vegas over there, I take up for something. And you come out pan me and cuss me.
So how you make it look like say all the cuss with 360 a cuss you? A Dana are the fall type make him a cuss you. Dana are the reason why him a cuss you. Eh? And so you make it look, you know, like Dana is the reason why 360 a cuss you because of the friendship with them have and the association. Even further down, she go still go also, you know. Only listen what she say now and listen what she go say further down in the video. We show you say these people just contradict themselves. She make it look like it was all about Dana why 360 upon her case. Like Matlock. Oh, right, I forgot to say about Matlock too, she call Matlock name. Oh, like Judge Pusey. Jamaican Judge Pusey. Upon her case. That's how she make it look. She never make it look like say it's all about Mr. Handsome situation. All these times she make it look like it's just Dana, why 360 just upon her, Marcia.
And of course, Mr. Handsome, and his son is a Batman. His son is a Batman. If
A CJ come tell you?
My son a Batman, me I keep my mouth quiet.
I wonder if a CJ go tell her, because she always have secret, you know, what she hear from good source.
For him, son, Ashanti 360 son is a Batman.
For her son, good I tell her, you know. Because for her secret, them come from good source, either relative or close friends.
When claims he go to school for doctor or whatever, I don't see which part him, I never see my graduation yet. From me see my come and talk about son on social media. I one picture I see on social media when the man him talk. Me never see my one graduation yet. So how is it that him have a relationship with him son? The son
Best breadfruit tree, you see breadfruit pan tree? Look. Breadfruit tree, a beer again. Beer again. Beer again.
And come about so him son a doctor. Me no see him. Me no see him. Me no see him top side of nah. I take him one take credit from the mama. So when he come now from that the time they know with Mr. Handsome, he come out from me. And from him come out from me, Mr. Handsome. And then you know say Vegas over there boost him up.
More to listen, you know. When him come out pan her and a cuss her.
Non-stop me there.
But all of a sudden it reached 99 now. 99 a beer it.
Him and the plank of them go make up. After him over there, this up the woman a yard. Bad. Up until today, me don't know.
Beer, you know how to be it.
Me same class.
Nobody run come for me, you know how to shampoo yourself.
In cuss her about her woman
Right,
molester.
you know how to shampoo.
Him woman this, him tell her what pussy think her kind of sitting. And the woman go make up with him.
You know shampoo.
Me don't know what kind of raw secret.
You want shampoo, rush the rain a fall, you want trim.
If you go make up with a boy like that, we class up and
You want trim you know again, and shampoo down.
class her up and call her teeth and her pussy think and Paula pussy think. Me say so sitting and the people them, me never class her up, so.
The next thing I want to know, how this drop in right here, so. How this drop in right here, so. The man have his own platform. He have his own supporters. Whether you have Planka over there support him or not, automatically they becomes his supporters. Right? Because what you hear over there, you're not hearing it over Planka shop. You hear it over there. You understand? So why you come out against the woman? If you talk about this man, you don't talk about this man. Why you have to add this woman in it? Is it that you mix lemonade? And because you don't have no lime, you have to find something else? Because you don't want it to be sugar and water? Me don't know, me ask you.
And she said she forgive him. And me don't know what happened. All of a sudden, me see she him back of her chip clock a Canada. Every trip she got Canada, him chip clock. Till me see two
So that boy, so she lie?
picture same thing I go
Yes, so she lie?
And if she come out
One
road,
time the
who
man
say,
never got Canada
if him never
and when she got him go meet the
shoulda
woman.
with him.
And look, what time the woman got Canada and she saying they the PP pluck with her with their liar self. Tell you now, no lie, no love fabricate story.
And she not forgive me, not nobody else.
Or when it is evidence on still
She not
fabricate.
forgive nobody else but him. So if she have to forgive him, for class up her so, that means say him have secret fear. Same thing is hope. All of a sudden, everywhere she appear, the boy back at her like a gingy fly. Same thing not right. Cause me never cuss her but herself like that. Me call her big and fat and so on them sort of sitting there. But if you Lorraine have them over there. All of a sudden, them page disappear with all of this in them. But people did have them already. That's
Lorraine
why
have them.
put
Lorraine
aside
better take them
in
and
the archive.
spread bed with them. I got build house with them.
From this on now, him start cuss me.
Cause when Steve
And
gone
said
home, me no
him
know she
start
go manage
cuss
if she
me
no go
for
before.
him co-worker. So you have time left Mr. Handsome now. Him say him start.
Lorraine
you
have
not-
garbage.
you
She's
chopping
a
like
landfill.
co-worker.
She a store
Me like
garbage.
himself from this, him say he's our co-worker there.
So
of a
all the
sudden
way you
he
talk about a
co-worker.
garbage to such
So
woman
him
life.
take a piece of
Garbage.
scent from me. 3 years now, and I cuss me for her. All when me not trouble her.
3 years now. All of a sudden him take a set pan her. Because of 99. But before, she said 3 years this man had upon her case because Mr. Handsome. Then him joined forces with the Planka. So almost after the 3 years where him upon her with Mr. Handsome, based on the statement where she make, then him join up with the Plankas. So me no know. What was the year when the whole situation with Mr. Handsome? Because what we're in now, 2022, 24, I think the meeting of Dana and Ashanti was 2022 or 2023. Alright, I could put it at 2022. It would be 2022. 2022 to 2024. I know 3 years. Is there not full 2 year, but call it 2 year. And that Mr. Handsome situation was before Dana meet Ashanti a Canada. So, me not understand her calculation. Me not understand what she has say if it makes sense. Because she did say before, Ashanti upon her case 3 year because of the Mr. Handsome situation. Then further down she come and she say 3 years him upon her case until him join the Planka them. You understand? So me not understand what she are trying to say.
It's still over a period of me fair. That means say he's getting paid.
Are you a
If him not
PM?
get paid by she, him getting paid by supporters. A lot of supporters.
Must you a PM?
I give money for cost me. That's what they're doing. The boy no work. He has not worked in years and paying no taxes in America. Not even the page where me have. It was under it was under where next one name? The one way over there with him religiously. I don't hear gunfire from her. When last on the year I over
Matlock
by the page,
shut up.
where she gone?
Shut
What
up,
the other one
Matlock.
name? Matlock. A Matlock name, you know. Him can't get nothing in name. He whole heap of things. Me nah ask you. When he died, Janet, may I tell you, him not have no credit. Not a.
So you and me that see him boat then, Marcia.
So when Janet kick him out of the house, Janet knows.
So people, Marcia have company. Cause she not no credit neither. She not no house neither. So you get company. Why? A good company you get, so you and him can lick heads together now and make him come off of your shoulder. I come like you look company bad, you know.
Got to rent an apartment for him for $1,700 and give him few months in there. And him say, you know, so me can't get nothing in my name. Because him can't have a stable address. Because him know what's going to come to him. And the boy out here behave so. Huh? Or if you go chat to somebody who work in Natchez country, he has not worked for years. And him sit up on social media being a pest to society.
So Marcia, all of those things where you know so much where that not relevant to you and it's of no interest to you with your intention where you have. And the main thing where you fi know is to know which part to find 360 where you can serve him as summons or bring the police upon him as according to you, and you don't know that. All the information that people has garnered and carried to you, how them can garner the information of his whereabouts to carry it to you. These are things when I look upon, you know. And know so when you come out here come chat, you just chat. Shh. Pay crap. You just talk things for the media. You just talk things to make content. Because you can garner all these other information that is not relevant or of interest to you for you to do what you really want to do. Serve this man a summons or a lawsuit or whatsoever. The whereabouts of this man that you need, that you can do all this, you can't get it. You not have it. But all the things that is not necessary, you can't get it. They not say your people them not mean you no good. They don't mean you any good, Marcia.
And cursing people who them believe is against the woman I had. Or is against strong black individual women who defend themselves. Because if you're not joining an alliances out here, nobody not like you.
Like
If
you
you're
tell
not a
Kaya, you
banker,
put the whole on have no alliance too.
they
But
gonna
the
cuss
wrong
you.
alliance you no have. When you join alliance to the wrong reason, the
If
wrong
you don't
things.
join along with that lady, they're gonna cuss you. If me come now and say, oh, you know what, people, I'm gonna forgive her, and you know what, I am sorry and this and that and huh? You wouldn't hear gunfire with them. Listen,
So, all your friend Queen was try to do that over and over and it not work out. Come on, make it make sense. Haven't you seen your close friend Queen was try that and it did not happen? Huh? You try it and see if it happen. You even worse than she. You know why you're worse than she? You were an acquaintance according to you. Trying to get close. You understand? And you have done what you have done. So it would have even worse for you. So don't try that. You're going to embarrass yourself. So don't come out here, come try to look pretty and look good like say Planka Nation wants to see you come apologize. But woman call you and tell you if you apologize. And all would be well because they will be start buying your sheets. That are just somebody who knows if them tell you that you might chig off and cuss. Call your platform and tell you that. If somebody tell you that. What me say? It's either that somebody just call you because everybody know over trigger you off, you know. One little comment in your comment section trigger you off. One phone call and say whoops, trigger you off. Because you don't make nothing pass you. So you make the people them know you like that, so them know if them are watching you're boring and them want to get the thing spice up and clown you out, them just in the comment. One phone call, say something and that's it. So don't be a fool of yourself.
Tell me more, Mr. Sunday morning, yeah. That will never blood club, boom, pussy club, that's what I mean.
You know. Because you won't be
Me see how
accepted.
people call me.
You won't be
Me see
accepted.
how people that call me from Florida last year. Marcia, you need to apologize to Donna. And then we will start by your sheet. I tell the girl so sinting.
Lie you tell, where? Big girl try to look big.
I fix her good and proper.
Create a scenario, you create a content. Nobody no call you, too
If
lie.
you just come out and apologize and what?
Lie. Nobody no tell you that.
I tell her so sinting in a WhatsApp. Me don't know how WhatsApp not blow up in my face.
Lie you tell. You just
Can
look
you
something
go
to say.
clap money? Can you imagine?
Come show with the
Me
message.
who is on social
Come show with the
media
message. You
for
a liar
over a
tell.
decade and a half.
Cuss the person, the one you
With
cuss
my
it, can even do
talent,
that.
My karaoke, my motivation, my church keeping, my Bible reading, my charity. And me, if you go
Where
get a
does
phone
that
and
take
somebody
you in
will
social
come on
media?
5 years ago.
Where all of that take you in a social media? And it's for 4 or 5 year take her to the sky.
A blood clot star like a me. A popular girl like a me. You're crazy. Then me look like some stupid. Oh, me stupid.
How can you be popular? And when you go in the street, you have to running down celebrities. You have to be running down people to take pictures with you, talk to you, and all these things. If you're popular, people run down you. That's how popularity is. When you're popular, it's like everywhere you go in the street. You can't come home and 2 or 3 somebody not call you. If it's even one, that's when you prove say you're popular. Anywhere you go, if I even one somebody can identify you, that is when you say you're popular. You can't beg people to come take picture with you and pose up with you. You can't see celebrity, real celebrity, and you are running at them. The Sprague Benz, the Beres and the Tara, the Warra, and want picture and say you're popular. Them supposed to see you as a celebrity also and say, wow, is that Marcia? Is that a lady you see on social media? Yeah, I think it's the one I see on Facebook. Yes, man, she. Hey, you know you're very funny when I watch you on social media. Yeah. Sometimes I just tune into your station when I want to laugh. Yes. Just to, get myself relaxed. You give me a lot of cheers at times. That's when you're popular. So I don't know where you take popularity for.
Me stupid. Let me look in the mirror. Me stupid. Me look stupid.
I'm glad you know you're stupid.
Oh, me stupid. Oh, me never know say me never know say me a follower.
Of course there is. Because they just see the celebrity them out the road and run them down as a celebrity.
Me I say something right, people.
Me ain't a celebrity and sometimes I see some of my favorite stars them whether in an entertainment or something. I mean I look on them, you must say mad. I know me that. Hey, me myself, as me said, that's why I know say TikTok is a wider range right now than Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Remember now, me have 2 monetized channels out here on YouTube. Yes, you have a few people who know me, but guess what me know? The few people who know me are people who have followed this diaspora as a YouTube. You see, from me start the TikTok for what? I think I forgot call back Kevin. You see, since me start the TikTok for about the last, this week must say 4 weeks, 1 month now or 3 weeks, something like so. Everywhere me go, people can't see me. See them in the on TikTok, also all people when me know. When me on YouTube, how long I never hear them say nothing. People when me don't know. One night I go to the council, 9 night, people see me and stop my boy Gary, you can't do the woman them bad. I say, what kind of woman me I do bad? You know, see woman I comment good about what me say, and the one them I live the lifestyle that me I talk about. I comment against it and I talk against it. She I say, boy, I not lie, still that true you talk. And I do one video recently we hot up the whole of TikTok. When me I say some girl I go a road night and day, 7 days a week I dance, I titivate up and them no live no where them now no bed. And it take a storm. And me I tell you, right now, every time I walk, if I want somebody a day, I see upon TikTok, because TikTok is a wider range, and not even that me even like. Much as you go see celebrity around and me I run into them. You must say mad. You must seem crazy, and are you that, Marcia?
The last time when the man Janet in a war information.
Listen to the line now.
And them
Secret, and you don't let out the secret.
Them me don't make up. She come on the live and say, them me don't make up for give money. If you go get somewhere for live. Janet word was like, I bet you should not do it.
Your content creating, fake, fabricated story.
That's exactly the word that Janet came out of her mouth. Janet, me sorry. So
Fake, fabricated story. Listen.
Whatever information that him know.
Just to create content.
Whatever I hear out there. Janet know everything. Janet say, I bet you should not do it. And see what happen.
So as I say, basically, you know, all the secret with him have for 99. What secret me don't know? With 360 have for 99, him they tell Janet, so Janet have it. So when the cascas between him and Janet, which is him woman, and the putting out did that go in the ear, say him no live nowhere and whatsoever, allegedly. 99, she said 99, cause I think maybe there's something, I don't quite remember how it will go. If 99 ever collect any money for him, forget now where for him live. All the secret where him 360 have for 99, when tell she have let out everything out of the bag. What secret me no know? But she claimed to say Janet tell her a few. So she come now make the public know said there is really secret out there. Janet, me sorry. Janet, me sorry.
I say I'm gonna tell you everything. Basically, that's what she want to say. I say I'm gonna spill the whole beam. That's
What beam out there to spill? What beam out there to spill?
Money for him out there. I see everything that talk out. But she never tell me nothing. Janet, them and the whole of them have a whole heap of secret.
What? And for 5 years, no evidence of thieving in charity can come out. I want to have other secret and that
So
still
when
can
me
come
go
out.
see somebody depend somebody like that, I defend somebody.
Hey, so I want to come out here going I couldn't care for 99. I don't care for 99, I don't love 99. Yes man, I don't love her. Because I don't have so much evidence of this woman being a criminal. A scam people. You understand? And I have been fighting verbally for over 5 years. Wasting all on energy on saliva. Trying to bring down the woman and she can't get bring down. I want to turn to the big source and the big evidence we want to have and put it out here, put it to the authority. Now we don't have secret, personal secret. This must be no personal secret. Personal life secret. We don't have now. And not even that, we don't all that on our world to we don't put out that too. We don't go here, man. We don't can fool the idiots. Remember that.
Till all them page. Wipe off. Clean like a whistle. I only have game pan it. When I go pan it, I pay full game. Totally pay just wipe off. And from this time I cost me until now. Me not hear Matlag in a long time. Matlag look like he gets sense. She gets sense. So a whole set of new people. Them say if you're handling a lion then take them and take you out. Matlag have a lot to lose. Cause she him than him. Cause him not have nothing to live for. She have a pit them.
People, the whole place blinky. Blinky skies.
She become homeless and don't have a job.
We were promised cold front Friday and rain, but no rain not fall, but the time kind of chilly. But it's a Jew and dark. Mac says she's tired of you. Mac like tired of you. Say she give you a break, you sick her stomach. You right now. All this I see to Janet tell her. Everything Janet tell her. All friend like you me no want you know. That me even really telling her something. when you and the person in a fall out, you not gonna hold when me tell you
Straight up
and
facts.
be militant, you not gonna
And Janet
use it
tell me, say, told them,
to
say,
cuss
"Dem,
them
Janet, me
to
sorry.
make, and them
And me
look
have
bad.
a voicemail. I have 42 recording with you.
But
Everything
Janet,
we
you're
tell
sorry.
me have them send when
They
I
don't play them 42 voice note. Play them, because it's a voicemail.
And I
You
make
think
sure
a voice
say the
note.
everything, I have everything for recording. Everything, me sorry. But me not go dash you. Me only talk a little of things.
Anyway, people, bless up on yourself. As I say, this one wasn't planned, but me just can't go on a video, especially on a Sunday. Me always I say it. I mean, I know me. I true me not go on my next phone if you see WhatsApp or go in a DM yet on Messenger or nothing. Because I know someone good at text me. Don't want me to you, want me no nothing. So me decide that me have to just go on something. Worse, me go wake up and see the drama 99 with Dana on big bike. Yo, it give me a laugh, boy. I don't normally laugh or talk when me just wake up, people. But boy, when me see it, me laugh out of my house to see when the leather. And when the leather come, me laugh, When the leather come, at them the time they me laugh. Cause me watch you go on all along how she go over the bike and but when the leather really come, I bust out one laugh with that thing. So me and somebody in there and then give me a joke. And I me alone and sleep and me left sleep asleep. What me say? Me left sleep asleep. Wifey asleep. Oh, anyway, you don't know what they do. It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch your ads. Continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. I just post a video over there, the Mountain Give Back. And I have something for going over there. I have this series I want to do for a while, but the series that I want to do, most of the things are season things. You know, back in the days, you have greater cake, or you make greater cake, or you make drops, stew Jew plum, stew tambourine, and stuff like that. Yes, I did have a little series like that I want to do from way up in the air, but as I say, most of the things are seasonal. So, I'm going to drop a video probably tomorrow or Tuesday, you know, doing some stew Jew plum. So for people who might never hear about it, or people who hear about it and don't know how it have done, you can tune in on the Life is a Mission channel on YouTube. I will be showing you how you do your stew Jew plum. I mean, I tell you people, stew Jew plum nice, stew tambourine nice. Worse when the stew Jew plum, the Jew plum them not sour and the tambourine them not sour, it make it even nicer. But when you get that taste of your ginger, your cinnamon, hey, you just stay tuned. I'm not going too much. So just stay tuned tomorrow evening or Tuesday evening for that video, because I do I add something to it with a little road vlog. Because I plan to go up on the road also for get some t-shirts. So I might just incorporate that with the stew Jew plum and just create one video instead. Because I don't like post short videos, you know, people, honestly. My video them have I like on the backup channel now, I like when the video them over 20 minutes. On the main channel here, so I like when the video them over 40 minutes. You understand? Yes. I don't need to explain everything because not people I learn from me, not supposed to learn from me. Because I'm out here just, what day. Them they a long time and me should I learn from them. My personal person, them where I have as, my little colleagues, them, if them want to learn something or want to know something and them can call me if me know, me tell them. Me not going to hide it. Or if them hear me say something and them want to know where the difference and thing, them can call me, me will tell them. But away from that, certain things, me just keep it. Some me can't let go, me let go. Alright? So, bless up on yourself. As me say, support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, over TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Go follow me over there, like the videos, and comment on the videos. Life with Gabby and Chevy. She need 92 more, or 94 or 93 more subscribers. Me I beg gonna reach out to her, give her the subscription, make she get it for the Christmas and feel good. Going into the new year, know so she have to put in some hard work. Forget the watch hour now by giving her content for watch. You wanna feel interested in and want to come back and watch and watch and watch. And remember, the cash app is there, $sign. It's that time of the month when you give back to the needy. And remember, this month give back is a different one from next month. And as I say, anybody want to send any little gift, come give me for my birthday, which is the 5th of January. Send it in the December month. When we can pull that together and do the little good deeds when I want to do. I want to give back even 12 or 10 bags. A small grocery to 10 or 12 person. 5 or 6 of those person is person who I already give back to grocery package back then, and I just going to add some new people to it. So that is the plan. So only just come on board and assist, cause the more come on board and the more me can give. Cause me about 30 at back. But me just put it at 12. Where if anything and nobody no come on board, me can know if I adjust it to probably 10 or 8 when me can do out of my pocket. But if you no come on board, it eases strain on for me and probably me can do more. Because it's Christmas, it's a season for giving back. Enough people might can't find not even chicken, much as turkey. You understand what I say? And if it's even a pound of flour and look at saltfish and butter bean or baked bean, then we can have that for them Christmas dinner. Because me not buy no hard meat because most of them are no light, most of them are no fridge. So I just buy non-perishable goods. And as I say, I normally give back 10 or 13, 12,000 out of grocery. You understand? Me I cut that in 2 just to make it reach a 10 bag or 12 bag when I want to give away. Small platform. Still trying to give back. Bless up on yourself. Oh, remember Charms and Trends. Visit the Instagram page, charms_and_trends. Check out what you want. Anything you see customized, drop in the DM for more information. You can go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Anything you see over there, get it customized. Make your gift be special. Don't make your neighbor have the same gift as you. Don't make a man wife buy the same gift as you. Forgive to your husband. Make sure you're one special and feel connected to your husband. Specialize your gift. Customize your gift. Alright? Bless up yourself. I'm out.